What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to get waves for men with naturally curly afro textured hair. Alright, so first and foremost, what you want to do is make sure that you shampoo and condition your hair. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. Next, what you want to do is add the Family Hair Care all-in-one hair care for all hair textures hair product. And then you will brush your hair down with just a regular wave brush. And finally, you're gonna wrap your hair with a do-rag to get the waves popping and keep them flat. All right, so first, the hair product. The label says to use about a quarter amount, but depending on the type of hair texture that you have, me personally, my hair is more thick and coarse, so I tend to use a bit more than that. And I use about this amount. Now what you wanna do is rub the product into your hands thoroughly, and then apply it to your hair until the product is fully soaked in, like so. So now the product is rubbed in thoroughly, the next thing you want to do is brush your hair for 5 minutes straight. As you can see, my hair is nice and brushed down, so now the last thing to do is add the do-rag. You can use any type of do-rag, but I prefer to use the velvet do-rags because they make the waves shinier, more softer, and just all around nicer looking. After brushing your hair for 5 minutes, the last thing you need to do is put on your do-rag. You could use any type of do-rag, but me, I prefer to use the velvet do-rags because they leave your hair softer, shinier, and they just make your waves look nicer. And what you want to do is leave this do-rag on for at least an hour to get optimal results. And here you have the final product. Nice fresh waves. So after shampooing and conditioning your hair, make sure that you use a good amount of the all-in-one hair care product. Make sure that you brush it for 5 minutes and leave the do-rag on for at least 1 hour and you'll get the results.